Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to view private Instagram accounts without actually having to follow those accounts. So before we get into this tutorial, guys, I just want to mention this giveaway that I'm doing for this red iPhone XR, guys. So if you want to win this phone, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone to enter the giveaway.
I'm going to be showing you guys how to view private Instagram accounts without having to follow them. So what you guys are going to need to get in order to do this is this Instagram Plus app that you guys can see here in the upper left hand corner of my screen. So guys, essentially what this Instagram Plus app is, it is the original Instagram app. It's just had its coding and software tweaked a little bit so that once you guys use this Instagram Plus app, then you guys do not have to follow private accounts in order to view them. You can just view anybody's account that you'd like to, whether you're following them or not. So guys, it's a pretty neat app and it's really easy to get. And what you need to do in order to get it is go ahead and pull out your phone, since this is a mobile app. And once you have your phone out, just go ahead and open up Google and then type in the search bar at the top odexgen.com. odexgen.com. Alrighty guys, then it's going to bring you to this site right here, and you can either scroll down and look for the Instagram Plus app, or you can just search for it. Alrighty guys, so once you locate the Instagram Plus app, go ahead and click the blue install button. Alrighty, and then once you're here, go ahead and select your device system, so whether you're on Android or iOS, and then click start download. Alrighty guys, so it's going to take you through this little process, and all this is doing, guys, is just preparing your phone to download the Instagram Plus app so that you guys can view private accounts without having to follow them. Alrighty guys, as you can see here, the automatic human verification did fail, so we are going to have to verify manually. And all this means, guys, is that once we click this blue verify now button, it's going to send us directly to a human verification test that's going to take us a few minutes to complete. So guys, this is what the human verification test looks like, and essentially the way it works, guys, you're going to be given 3 offers, which are going to be a mixture of surveys and apps, and all you guys need to do is complete the 3 offers to be verified as human, and then the Instagram Plus app will begin to download to your phone, guys. So the offers are very simple. With each survey that you get, you just need to click on the survey, it'll send you to a website, and then you have to answer a few simple questions. And then with the apps, you have to install each app and run each app for 30 seconds. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do an app real quick. So you just click on the app, and then it's going to send you directly to the App Store, guys. And once you're here, go ahead and install this app, and once it's installed to your phone, just go ahead and open it up, and then just have this app open for 30 seconds. So you guys do not have to plan any games, you don't need to make any accounts or nothing like that. Just have this app open for 30 seconds. So once 30 seconds is up, then you guys can go ahead and go back to your offers and just complete the rest of your offers, guys. So once you complete all 3 of those, you'll be verified as human, and then the Instagram Plus app will begin to download to your phone, guys. So once again, what this Instagram Plus app is, it is the original Instagram app. It's just had its coding and software changed just a little bit so that you do not have to be following somebody, whether they're private or not, to view their account, guys. So let me know how it's worked out for you guys down in the comments below, and if you have any issues with this, just drop your social media down in the comments and I'll DM you guys and help you fix any problems you may be having.